Hello, in this video I will show you how to delete TV YouTube account. Now it's a very easy process and you can do this process from anywhere on any device. So firstly what you will do is you have to open your YouTube on any device, then click on your profile and then just simply click on Google account. Now once you're on your Google account, just simply go to security right over here, and right over here just simply scroll down till the very bottom, and right over here you will find the option of manage all devices. So just simply click on this option, and right over here just simply find the TV that you have linked. So it will be right over here, and then when you will find the TV option, all you have to do is simply go to the TV section. You will be able to see it right over here. As you can see, it is the Mac, it's a phone and it's a window. You will find a TV option right here as well. So click on this option and then you will find the option of sign out. So just simply click on this option and then you will be able to successfully remove your YouTube account from TV. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.